Hello once again, my good friends. Okay, now I will be doing an analysis on GBPJPY for 21st of November 2025. Okay, let's look at that GBPJPY. First of all, looking at the daily, the market reacted to this weekly level, which was plausible because the market is going bullish, 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 bullish. So rejection to an important level like this weekly level. Note my weekly level are all in yellow. So when I say weekly level, let's go to the weekly. Here I found it from here. Weekly level, found it from here. My weekly level are typically on the shadows of important weekly candles. Okay, let's go here. What can we see? The market reacted to this weekly level. Does this mean that, oh my god, now we should go bearish, doing a bearish trade only? No, we have to wait and see. But basically this means that market need more liquidation to take us higher, to actually go higher, because the market is bullish. It's actually very clear. I have stated this before. Okay, now let's go to the 4-hour and see what we have there. By the way, the daily is above the EMAs first of all, but is really far away from them. So retracement is to be expected, and of course the last day closed above it, so that's why we were actually very bullish today. Okay, now let's go to the 4-hour. Looking at the 4-hour, the same goes for the 4-hour. We had kind of a shooting star candle that completely rejected this 206 level. A great reversal can be seen because of this shooting star candle, but we have to be careful. Why? Because look at the EMA. EMA is real closely in line with the candles, because once the market is going bullish, 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 so the EMAs, the moving averages, will go along with it. Okay, so if we actually close below this, we might actually go for this level. So anything is possible, but to put it briefly, I think the market can have retracements. Okay, and we will wait and see what will the market decide. Let's take a look at hourly. Hourly is very bullish and it's very steep. If you take a trend line and you mark this, okay, anyone knows that this is a very steep trend line. Why is that? Because trend line should be like this. Should be like this. Okay, but it wasn't like that. It's very steep. Look at or another trend line is here. Okay, so this one is very steep and can break anytime. So if I might go for the bullish movements, I need the market to go bearish a little bit and then go up. Alright, so when do we spot bearish, when do we spot bullish? Let's go back to the daily and I will explain this in great details. Okay, in order for the market to go higher the next day, since we break above this and the weekly level on the shadow of the daily, okay, I expect the market to start bearish. Alright, start bearish, and then we have to wait and see if the 4-hour can actually reject this weekly level. If and only if the 4-hour rejects this weekly level 205, I will definitely go bullish, and I will target this once again, because as long as this resistance is not broken, we shouldn't target above it. Okay, be careful about things that you target, put your target as. So everything depends on the 4-hour and how it will go at the start of the day. If I have to go bearish on this one, I need the market to once again at the start of the next day to go higher, touch this, rejects it, and then create a bearish candle to convince me that it's ready for a retracement or bearish movement. Okay, you have to wait and see. Once again, if the 4-hour has to break below, come here and retest this weekly level, it might break the trend line. It doesn't matter, that trend line is not really valid. Okay, but what's important is that the EMAs on the 4-hour shouldn't possibly break, because we are in a bull run. Okay, this wraps it up for GJ. I hope you enjoy, and try to go bullish on GJ, mostly because I don't see any specific weakness in its bullish momentum. Have fun.